Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today we're in Roseland, New Jersey. Just completed a inline French door with two knee wall side panels. Everything's in matte black finish here. We have the MT square version, 8-inch handle. That was my freaking toe. And we have the beveled series, or square series, I'm sorry, of the matte black clamps with the pinnacle glass-to-glass hinges. We have the offset hinge there. So the layout of this bathroom, as you see, it's kind of narrow. This is a master bathroom. And it was a really cool idea to go ahead and do French doors on this, because now we're able to independently operate these doors both in and out. So that way, still space in case you're trapped over there and you go ahead and open this door. There's still space for you to walk around and be able to walk out. All the water that's on the inside of the doors will just fall right back into the shower pan, down the drain, instead of out here where the shower mat traditionally goes. And also the doors are not in the way, so that way our clients can go directly to a vanity. So one big question as far as design-wise I get during my preliminary estimates is the orientation of the door. So let's say this wasn't a French door, this was just a single door, okay? The orientation of the door. So let's say, for example, this door, a single door, would open this way. So I would say that would be a no-no, because the first place you go to traditionally after a shower is your vanity, right? So the idea here is that so that you can open the door and be able to access the next appliance in your bathroom freely without that door being in impingement or hingement, whatever the hell the name is. So then hence the door to open this way would be the appropriate direction. But because of the layout of where the toilet is, and then plus I showed the client our video on French doors, take a look at the link up here. The French door was the way to go on this one. So there we are. And again, both doors are independent from each other. And they both do open in and out. All right. Close this bad boy up with one hand, and there we go. So, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a bear spider will crawl on your face.